Stop. Are you on Medicare or about to be on Medicare and you've seen all of these ridiculously, unbelievably over-promising commercials promising things like $0 premium plans, free dental, vision, and hearing benefits, and you've seen people like Joe Namath, Mike Ditka, all kinds of football heroes, ironically, talking about all of these Medicare plans and you just don't know what it all means? Well, don't go anywhere, don't hit skip, don't keep scrolling. Watch this video all the way to the end. I'm going to break down everything and explain it to you so that way you don't have to wonder. My name is Christian Brindle. I run and operate an insurance agency right here in Utah, right in your backyard, called Christian Brindle Insurance Services. And today we're going to talk about what is the real deal with all of these crazy advertisements. Let's get into it. First thing you need to understand is the type of product that these commercials and insurance companies and Joe Namath and everybody else in between is advertising are Medicare Advantage plans. They're offered through any insurance agent, any insurance broker. They're not offering you something unique or special that you can't get anywhere else. They just have a bigger budget than everybody else, and they can afford to show you those commercials every second of every day and everywhere that you look. Now, what is Medicare Advantage and what does it mean to you? Let's talk about it right now. Let's start with the basics. When a person gets onto Medicare, you get original Medicare from the government. Original Medicare from the government would be your Medicare Parts A and Medicare Part B. Now, basically what this does for you is it gives a person medical coverage. They kind of fit like two pieces of a puzzle that fit together to give a person medical coverage. Part A covers the hospital, amongst other things, and Part B will cover the medical, amongst other things. And essentially what they're going to do is they're going to provide you with medical coverage, hospitalizations, doctor's appointments, surgeries, treatment, anything like that, skilled nursing, rehab, you name it. And essentially what they're going to do is they're going to pay about 80% of these expenses and leave 20% behind for you to pay. Now, Medicare Part A does not cost anything as long as you've worked in the country for at least 10 years of your life. Most people have. Medicare Part B, on the other hand, has a monthly premium of about $144.60 a month for most people. That's A and B. Now, the traditional way of going about plugging in these holes and gaps, keep in mind, Medicare A and B don't give you prescription coverage, dental, vision, hearing, anything else like that, in addition to the medical benefits. It's pretty cut and dry. It's going to be medical benefits, and for the most part, only medical benefits. Now, the traditional way of going about things would be for someone to pick up a Medigap or a Medicare supplement plan that comes through and pays the 20% that Medicare leaves behind. They're going to pay a premium for that. They're going to pick up a drug plan when they go that way and pay a premium for that. And if they want dental, vision, hearing coverage, they pick up a policy for that and they pay a separate premium. And they're basically paying multiple different premiums, and each policy does something different. The way that a Medicare Advantage plan works is you still get Medicare Parts A and B. That part does not change. You get that from the government. But instead of running your Medicare through the government, you actually run your Medicare through a private insurance company. And there's a million of these. I'll put IC for insurance company. There's a million of these that do these kind of programs. It's an ever-expanding program. Medicare Advantage is also known as Medicare Part C. In the Medicare world, you'll find that most things have more than one name. I believe personally that they have a vested interest in keeping people just like you confused, but that's a story for another video. Now, the way that Medicare Advantage plans work is, like I said, you're running your Medicare through this private insurance company. They're taking over. They're fronting the bill. They're basically providing your coverage. And that takes a huge burden off of Medicare's shoulders, right? They're just feeling that ease, if you will, a little bit. They don't have to front 80% of the bill anymore for your medical bills. So that takes a big burden off their shoulders. So in exchange, they agree to fund this private insurance company every month to take care of you. This is how you can get Medicare Advantage plans for no additional premium. And if they do have an additional premium, they're typically going to be quite small. Maybe $20 a month, $30 a month, $40 a month. Now, what you get with a Medicare Advantage plan is they increase your medical benefits. So what you're going to get is you're going to get increased medical. And essentially with that increased medical, you're going to be looking at, instead of paying 20% of an entire bill, you're usually going to pay a set copay for most things. Maybe $5 to $10 to see a primary care doctor, maybe $40 to $50 to see a specialist kind of doctor, maybe a couple $100 to spend the night in the hospital. You kind of get the idea. Medicare Advantage plans typically will also come with drug coverage, so you don't have to pick it up separately. Not all plans do, but most do. I'll say drugs. A lot of them will come with some kind of dental, vision, and hearing benefits, and they typically come with networks of hospitals and doctors like your typical insurance companies will. These are going to be more similar to any type of regular health insurance you've had throughout your life, work insurance, retirement plan, Obamacare plan if you ever even had one of those, major medicals or anything like that. Although they don't have the high deductibles, you're typically just looking at copays. You get your medical, your prescriptions, your dental, vision, hearing all combined into one plan. But that is how they're able to do it for no additional premium. Now, a lot of these commercials are advertising the free dental, the free vision, the free hearing. Where they are completely out of line by doing so is they're completely misleading. What they do is they advertise free dental, vision, hearing when free dental could, on most plans, maybe mean cleanings, x-rays, exams, and they won't pay for anything more than that, but they still technically provide free dental. So the advertisements are incredibly misleading. If you'd like to know what plans are available here in the state of Utah, my company, Christian Brindle Insurance Services, and along with our parent company, Brindle Insurance Group, are family-owned. We've been working with people here in Utah for 25 to 30 years. We work with all of the different insurance companies here in Utah, and we can help you find the best available fit based on your needs and preferences. We do Medicare Advantage plans with every insurance company. We do Medicare supplements with every insurance company. We're here to help you. I hope that you take some time to click the Learn More button below and visit our company website, read up about us, give us a call for a free, no obligation consultation. Thank you so much for your time. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something today, and I hope this cleared up all those misleading commercials and advertisements.